Hi, I'm Paul Schumacher, founder of Schumacher Homes. Since 1992, we've had a different approach to custom home building on your lot. We're the ones who build our model homes and design studios right on the highway, so you can come and see them 6 days a week and experience the design and quality construction that goes into every one of our homes firsthand. This is a one-stop shop experience with our design studio right here, so you can see all the latest trends, styles, materials, and options you can select when customizing your home. Come take a look for yourself. We're in Lockburn, located off of Route 23, just south of downtown Columbus. We build on lots in counties in central Ohio. You can tour 2 model homes and a state-of-the-art design studio that has all the latest for a one-stop shopping experience for your custom home. The Madison is a 2274 square foot 2-story home that features a first-floor owner's retreat and a striking 2-story great room, complete with a painted brick fireplace. The second model home is our 1,900 square foot Santa Barbara, a 1-story open concept home that showcases our stone American tradition exterior and includes 3 bedrooms and a home office. This is just a sample of the many plans you can choose from, and we are confident you will find the perfect plan that fits your lifestyle and budget. Go to SchumacherHomes.com to see all our plans. We also offer a free online or in-person home plan consultation meeting with one of our plan specialists to help you narrow your search. Your family, your style, and your budget are all part of the design process. We provide the most comprehensive, detailed quoting system in the industry, spelling out exactly where every dollar is allocated. No hidden costs or unwelcome surprises. Homeowners often tell us that sitting down for a price quote was the best time spent during their home building journey. We'll answer questions that you never even thought to ask. Don't just take my word for it. Stop in and see for yourself today.